Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual 41 in 904L stainless steel. This is reference 124300, 41 millimeters in diameter. I measure it in profile, 11.6 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip if we're just measuring the case, 47.4 millimeters if we're measuring the solid end links of the Oyster bracelet. Then it is 51.3 across the wrist with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. The 41 millimeter Oyster Perpetual arrived in 2020, and this fascinating and cheerful celebration dial, as they describe it, arrived in 2023. Now what I'll do is I'll move my glove down a little bit so you can better see my 16 centimeter circumference wrist. This is a large Oyster Perpetual. It's not thick, it's not bulky, but it is broad. Particularly down the barrel, you can see that I could wear this watch, but I don't think you could wear this watch on a wrist smaller than mine. There are many smaller Oyster Perpetual cases, so if your wrist is smaller than 16 centimeters circumference, you're going to want to go with a smaller OP. Now, of course, the watch is very thin, and with a domed bezel, it will easily slide underneath the dress cuff. Taking a look at the watch, the Oyster case is 100 years old for 2026. It's a time-tested classic, and of course in 1933, the Perpetual rotor winding system arrived to turn the Oyster into the Oyster Perpetual, and this is the latest in that line. Taking a look, we have an Oyster-style bracelet. That's the 3-link sports design. We have a 904L steel case, bracelet, clasp, case, all 904L steel, high nickel content, particularly resistant to corrosion. It does not need to be rinsed after exposure to sea salt, for example. Conventional steels, 303 and 316 stainless, will actually corrode if you don't rinse them after salt exposure. So we have a conforming end link that mates the case. We have taper down towards the clasp. Flanks are polished. We have removable links that are fixed by screws, and that on both sides of the clasp. One feature that was new for the 2020 generation of Oyster Perpetuals, Easy Link, the tool-free snap-in, snap-out 5mm adjustment, now a feature on the OPs, whereas previously they were not. It's a very easy system to use, and as you can see here, pop that out, and then it doubles back over on itself to snap in, and there are several divots, which you can see easily inside the clasp, that allow you to dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point. A debossed rather than embossed Rolex 5-point cornets. You know you're looking at an OP. And then we've got a spring-loaded lift lock system with a beak and a hook. So these two things latch together and you have to lift to unlatch it. Oyster-style case, screw-down crown. It's a twin lock in steel. You know that because it has a little slash, so it tells you what kind of crown and what material. And then a screwed-in Oyster case back. Domed bezel, high polish, polished case flanks, satin finished lug hoods, the celebration dial, a lovely and unconventional type of lacquering. You can see it looks a little bit like Dippin' Dots ice cream, or maybe the ball house at a carnival, or McDonald's, the McDonald's play place for kids, but it definitely has a joie de vivre about it. It's something that's a little bit silly, and I appreciate that from Rolex. What's not silly in the least is the lume, which is quite serious. There is lots of it doubled up at 3, 6, and 9. We have Rolex's Chromolite Blue lume, which looks fantastic and is true dusk till dawn bright. It holds its charge overnight. White gold crown, hands, and indices. They will never oxidize or tarnish. You can see the confidence ring or the chapter ring with the text that runs all the way around the inner bezel. And underneath the case back, Rolex manufactured caliber 3230, Liga-formed chronergy escapement, one of the most sophisticated lever-style escapements you can find. So bidirectional winding with a ball bearing on the winding system and twin Teflon-coated reversing wheels, silent winding, 70-hour power reserve, 4 Hertz beat rate, 31 joules. It has hacking or stop seconds. The movement is a chronometer, but it goes beyond, not just a COSC movement. The whole watch has been tested in 6 positions, fully assembled to keep time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. So the whole watch, not just the movement, is a superlative chronometer. Full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. The free sprung balance with Rolex Microstella adjustment bolts, also allowing for very precise adjustment of the timing. It's not just a shock resistance mechanism. You have an overcoil hairspring for concentric breathing and consistent timekeeping in any physical orientation with respect to gravity. And that overcoil It's made of a blue oxidized niobium zirconium hairspring. Rolex calls it Parachrome Bleu. Highly anti-magnetic. So a watch is right here 100 meters, water resistant, shock resistant, and anti-magnetic. It even uses Rolex lubricants and Rolex Paraflex shock protection. So dial, hands, case, bracelet, clasp, movement, even the small parts inside the movement like shock protection, even the very lubricants made by Rolex for Rolex, probably the most integrated manufacturer in the world. And with a 70-hour power reserve, you've got about 3 days of power reserve. The chronergy escapement is nickel phosphorus, and then you have a thinner barrel with a larger mainspring compared to the old 3130 and 3135 movements. That's how you get that power reserve up from the old 48 to the more recent 70. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.
Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.